Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a chair in Cinema 4D without any plugins. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first we'll start with the base of the chair, so I'll add a cube from here, okay, and I'll change size X to 40, size Y 2, and size Z also 40. Okay, now I'll zoom in, scroll your mouse, zoom in out, or from here. Okay, yeah, and I'll make it editable. So I'll click here or press C on your keyboard. Now I'll go to top view, scroll your mouse to zoom in, and make sure that you are on point mode. Right click and I'll choose loop cut. Okay, and make sure that you are on loop mode. Okay, so now I'll add a slice here and another one also here. Now I'll go to bottom and I'll add a slice, right and left, like that. Okay, so now we have four squares here. Now I'll go here, okay, then rotate it. I'll go to bottom, then I'll go to polygon mode and I'll select this square. Also here, press shift here and here, like that. Okay, yeah. Right click and I'll go to inset and just drag your mouse, click and drag your mouse, and I'll change it here to 0.2 and new transform and see. Again, right click and I'll go to extrude, drag your mouse out or right, and I'll change offset to 40. Enter and see. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to point mode again and I'll choose rectangle selection. I'll go here, press T on your keyboard and drag your mouse left and I'll change it to 2.5 here and also here. Okay, again, rectangle selection and I'll change it to 2.5. Also here, okay, again, 2.5 and also here. Last one, 2.5, 2.5. Okay. Okay, this is very good. So I'll go to select and I'll make sure that you are on polygon mode. Select this square, shift and this one. And also right click and I'll go to inset and just click on new transform and again extrude and I'll change offset to 50. Just press enter. Okay, and see. Okay, yeah. This is very good. Okay, now I'll go to top here and I'll add or click on or press T on your keyboard and I'll go here and just drag your mouse, something like that. Then I'll go to right mode. Okay, zoom in and I'll go to point mode, rectangle selection, and I pull this a little bit, something like that. Okay, and let me see. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to selection, polygon mode, and click here, press shift and click here. Also here. Okay, let me uncheck visible only to see to select everything here, and I'll add right click and I'll add bevel. Okay, so just I'll change offset to 0.1 and also extrusion to 0.1. Then okay, also I'll go to four legs, just press shift. Okay, bevel and new transform. Also here I'll go to select. So now I'll go to select to loop selection. Make sure that you are on polygon mode. Mhm. Yes, and bevel, then new transform. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is very good. Okay, now I'll create the cross braces. So I'll add a cube. Let me change size to just right now to 4, 2, 4, 2, like that. And put it down. And I'll change size C, increase it like that. Let me see this. And I'll put it here, down, sorry, back. And I put it back, something like that. And I pull it up. Okay, and I'll make it thinner. Maybe 3, it will be good. Okay, so I'll go to cube, control, and drag your mouse to copy. And let me put it front. Okay, something like that. Okay, also here. Yeah. Okay, take them all, control D to copy, and I'll go to rotation to rotate it. degrees. Okay. Yeah. I'll take them all again, copy and paste, and I'll make this thinner. Okay. And take number one and two, or maybe this and this, and let me put it down a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll take the first one, copy, take it here and make it size Y, maybe something like that. 5. Okay. Change, yeah, size X to 1. Okay, this is very good. And copy 2 times like that. Okay, yeah, this is very good. I'll take on a group and a null object. Alt Control Shift to make it a group. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, this is very good. Okay, now I'll go to front, cube, this one, the chair, and make sure that you are on point mode. Go to rectangle selection and select all of this point, and I'll pull it like that. Okay, and I'll go to null object here, and I'll go to rotation and rotate this like that. Okay, we change size X to 1.5. So let me see this. I think everything is okay. Yeah, 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 this is very good. Also, let me rotate this point, something like that. Okay, now I'll go here and I want to add some segments. See, okay, like that. And also maybe 1.3. Okay. Yeah, this is very good. And I'll make all of them editable. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to polygon mode and selection, and I'll select those middle like that. Okay, then I'll go to selection and I'll go to soft selection, enable, and I'll go to radius and I'll change radius to 30. Okay, so now I'll go here and drag your mouse something like that. Okay, as we can see. Then I'll go to null object and yeah, yes. Okay, yes. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I'll select them all and Alt Control Shift to create a null object like that. And now I'll add a material. So I'll go to my files and double click here. Okay, yeah. I'll go to color and I'll add wood like that. Also here. Okay, and normal and drag and drop on null object and see. Okay, this is very good. So now I don't need UWW mapping. So I'll go here and I'll choose a cubic. Okay, and also offset Y. You can increase it a little bit, and also here, see this? Okay, yeah, and also let me up this video, this chair on the ground like that. And this is our chair. Okay. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe.